In this video, we will show you how to use the Print and Cut option. Print and Cut option can be used to accurately cut any part you like from a photograph. For the purposes of this video, we will leave only the cut technique enabled. From the machine hoop selection, we shall select a cutter and a cutting mat. Import any image you like and place it as a backdrop. Then, using the digitizing tool, create an outline of the part you want to cut. Since we only have the cut technique enabled, this is set to be a cut object. Adjust the cutter options or select a preset. Since we are cutting a paper, we will select one of the available presets. Now, let's export it to the cutter to see how it works. Select the edge cutter and connect. The cutter is now connected and ready to cut out this shape. According to the cutting preferences, you are advised to place the proper knife. Use the Print and Cut option to start the print and cut process. First, use the Print option to print the photograph using your printer. In the appearing Print Preview dialog, you can select a printer and customize the printed elements. Press Print to center the printer. Now, take the printed paper from the printer and place it onto the cutting mat. Then press Next to begin the calibration process. You now need to move the laser pointer using the arrows on your keyboard to the 3 points. Go to number 1 and place the laser point on top of the center point of this cross. Press Next to proceed. The cutter will now move to the next point. Likewise, move the laser to the center and press Next. Calibrate the third point as well. After aligning the third point, you need to press Cut to start the actual cutting process. Peel out the remaining paper and you have the photo part cut out. At this point, we need to mention that Print and Cut doesn't work only with a backdrop image. Anything you design is considered artwork, and that is why the Print Cut Preview appears in the Print option, so that you may cut out any artwork part you like.